Hey guys, welcome to the craft table. Today is Make It Monday, and today's tutorial is actually a request from a viewer. After watching my picnic table build with craft sticks, she asked if I could make one of those little Adirondack beach chairs, and of course I told her I would try, of course. And what better way to start the week than a viewer requested Make It Monday, huh? So, gather up your craft sticks and let's get to work, shall we?
Don't stop.
And there you have it. It takes quite a bit of time, and yes, the dry time will drive you crazy, but it is so cute. There is your little Adirondack chair. Now I used the E6000 because I found out that hot glue and my favorite silicone does not stick to these craft sticks very well. E6000 does, but it does have a long drying time. So I recommend the E6000. You might be able to find something that is better. And if you keep them indoors, don't put them out in the rain and the weather. These will last for a long, long, long time. So I really want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to spend it with me. I hope you're enjoying my Make It Mondays. And if you have something you would like me to make, drop me a line. Stick it in the comments, say, I want you to make this, and I will make you a Make It Monday. So if you enjoy these tutorials and would like to see more, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so they will tell you. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesdays, and of course my Fast Fridays that seem to be a hit around town. In 2 minutes or less, you get a cute little tutorial and some kind of catchy music. So I want to thank you again, and I hope you have a great week, and I will see you soon, I promise. Bye-bye now.